Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. We are on page 57. So we are on module 7, story time. Activity 1, read the story again and answer the questions. So you will need to refer to student's book, pages 72 until 73. There are total around 6 pictures. So you read the words inside those pictures, and then only you can answer these questions. So number 1, where are the children? So basically they are in the attic. So I will write this as they are in the attic. So double T and then IC. Or the answer also can be at Kevin's grandmother's house. So it's up to you to choose one. And number 2, what's in the box? So inside the box there is a map with a tunnel. So just write a map with a tunnel. Tunnel, we have double N here. Next we go to question number 3. So where is the tunnel? So tunnel, it's in the park. So we can write it is in the park. And number 4, who doesn't like the tunnel? So who? So the green shirt, who wear the green shirt? So she is Vanessa. So Vanessa doesn't like the tunnel. Okay, baby, just now you didn't see it. So this is answer number 4. So this is answer number 2. Next we go to question number 5. What is on the floor of the tunnel? So this is it. So they are mice basically. So they are mice. And then number 6, does Kevin's grandmother or grandma know what about the tunnel? So of course she does. So you just write yes, she does. Okay, next activity, activity 2. Do you like the story? Choose and color. So it's up to you to choose your favorite picture here. So I just choose number 1. So you can color it, just color only one. So you can color this. So make sure you color the whole picture here. So that's it for this page. This is page number 7 of Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here and you can watch the relevant contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it, you can join my Telegram robot for free.